So what I'm going to teach you now is called the arpeggios on modes. Arpeggios on modes. So first of all, what are arpeggios? Our arpeggios are our 1, our 3, and our 5. So you just play your 1, your 3, and 5 on all the scale, right? So let's say we want to play a major scale, right? We know that our 1, 3, 5 in the major scale is your do, right? And the mi, right? And the so. So that is our arpeggio, right? So 1, 3, 5. So when we come to our minor scale, you know our minor scale is 1, right? 3 and 5. You get it? So that's just how it works. That's arpeggios 1, 3, 5 on all the scales. Now, why adding it on mode? We actually did mode previously. Now, why putting it on mode? We add our 7th, right? Arpeggios on mode, we add our 7th, right? So it's like this: 1, 3, 5, 7. So now the 7, we're actually using the 1, 3, 5, 7 on all the modes. Like I say, it's arpeggios on modes. So 1, 3, 5, 7. You get it? So now for our Ionian is same thing. So 1, 3, 5, 7. Our Ionian mode. Next one is our Dorian mode. Also 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is our Dorian mode. Right? 1, it starts, which becomes our 1. So 3, 5, 7. Right? So 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. The next one also 1, 3, 5, 7, which is a Phrygian. Then the next one is a Lydian, also 1, 3, 5, 7. The next one is a Mixolydian, which is 1, 3, 5, 7. Like I said, we are getting a 1, 3, 5, 7 on all the modes, right? So 1, 3, 5, 7. The next one is our Aeolian, 1, 3, 5, 7. Then Locrian, 1, 3, 5, 7, and come back to your Ionian. You get it? So that's just how it works. So 1, 3, 5, 7 on all the modes. So you get it? 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, then 1, 3, 5, 7. So that is how the arpeggios on mode works. So just try it out, practice it, and we're going to see you soon.